Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from your Phantom wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for trading or just managing your crypto portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Phantom Wallet is popular for its user-friendly interface, especially for Solana-based assets, but withdrawing BNB might involve a few extra steps since it's a Binance Smart Chain token. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it all. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device and that you're logged in. You'll also need a verified Kucoin account with the correct deposit address ready. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet and navigating to the Assets tab. Locate your BNB balance. If it's not showing up, ensure it's on the correct network, like Binance Smart Chain. Next, click on BNB to select it, then hit the Send or Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Kucoin account, go to the Wallet section, and copy the BNB deposit address. Paste that address into the Phantom Wallet Send field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, and the network. Make sure it's set to Binance Smart Chain to avoid any lost funds. Before confirming, review the transaction fees. Crypto withdrawals aren't free, so factor in gas fees which can vary based on network congestion. Once you're good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction via your wallet's security prompt. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to an hour for the funds to appear in your Kucoin wallet, depending on the blockchain's speed. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay secure, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check the Phantom or Kucoin support pages. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.